How to restore WhatsApp local backup without Google Drive. Have you lost your WhatsApp chats and don't have access to Google Drive? Or maybe you never enabled Google Backup at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp messages using a local backup on your phone, safely and officially. Welcome back. Today's tutorial explains how WhatsApp local backups work, what you need before starting, and how to restore your chats without using a Google account or Google Drive. First, let's understand what a local backup is. WhatsApp automatically creates a backup file on your phone's internal storage, usually once every day. This backup is stored locally on your device and can be used to restore chats if Google Drive backup is not available. Now let's go step by step. First, make sure a local backup actually exists. Open your phone's file manager and go to internal storage, then open the Android folder, then Media, then Com. WhatsApp, then WhatsApp. And finally, Databases. Inside this folder, you should see files named something like msgstore.db.crypt14 or with a date in the name. This confirms your local backup is available. Next, make sure you're using the same phone number that was used to create the backup. WhatsApp will not restore backups if the number doesn't match. Now, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. After uninstalling, reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. You do not need to sign in to Google Drive for this process. Open WhatsApp and verify your phone number using SMs. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically search for a local backup on your device. When WhatsApp detects the local backup, you'll see a restore option on the screen. Tap Restore and wait for the process to complete. Once done, your chats will appear just as they were at the time of the backup. If WhatsApp does not detect the backup automatically, check that the backup file is in the correct folder and that storage permissions are allowed for WhatsApp. Here's a pro tip many users miss. If you have multiple backup files with dates, WhatsApp will restore the most recent one. If you want to restore an older backup, you need to rename that file to msgstore.db.crypt14 before reinstalling WhatsApp. To summarize, restoring WhatsApp without Google Drive is possible using a local backup. As long as the backup file exists, the phone number matches, and you follow the correct steps, your chats can be recovered safely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple how-to guides, and comment below, were you able to restore your WhatsApp chats successfully?